Hey everyone, I am here today to do a quick color spotlight for you. This is Belle Tress Bellissima in the color Coffee Without Cream. Let me grab the tag and I'll give you guys a quick look at the tag. So there's Bellissima, Coffee Without Cream. All right, I am madly in love with this style. I have a review of Bellissima out there already, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about the wig. You can check out my review in the color Chocolate with Caramel, and I'll link it in the description. But I had an opportunity to purchase this piece as part of a lot when a wig sister was selling all her wigs, and it's brand new and she never wore it. And so I thought, what a great opportunity to show this super dark brunette, which I would never normally buy, so I can share it with you guys. So look at this rich, dynamic, sort of dynamic, deep espresso brown. So beautiful. I will get outside for you guys. Let me give you what I found for a description of this color, because I think that can sometimes be helpful. Warm midnight espresso brown. It's just so pretty. It's so rich, and it doesn't have red tones. You can see, I don't think I figured out the part quite right on this one, so it's going in my eyes, but a lot of times people will ask me, does a wig have red tones? Let's see if I can fix that. There we go. Does a wig have red tones? This one I don't believe has red tones. It isn't flat though. It's really beautiful, and I will get outside so you guys can see this in natural light, but it's almost like it's got a lighter brown, like individual strands here and there, which just make it so beautiful, but it's not highlighted. It's just super, super pretty. Let me show you this beautiful, beautiful style on all sides. Bellissima has my heart. It really does. I raved about it in my other review, and I still love it. And so this is going to make some wig sister really happy when I sell her, because I only bought her to do this review because of this color. But I have to tell you, it's just gorgeous. I actually used to color my hair like this a lot. Back when I would disguise my hair loss with Topic powder, I would color my hair a 2, and I would say this is probably similar to that. It's not black, but it's very close to black. And the difference between when I'd use box hair color though and this is just so much richer looking. A box 2 is just super flat, and this is not flat. So stick around. I'll get outside to show this color to you outside. But let me just tell you one other thing. When you purchase these super dark colors, well, from any wig company, but from Belle Tress in particular, sometimes the knotting on the lace can be problematic. You know, this is a lace front. It's also a mono part. And so I'm going to show you the lace front on here so that you can see what I'm talking about. Wow, I don't think it's focusing. That's not like my camera, my new fancy camera. There you go. Let me tell you something. This is actually excellent for Belle Tress. Excellent. I have seen Belle Tress wigs that had much worse knotting than this. Let me go back out here. Much worse knotting than this. This is really, really good. For knotting this dark, I am so impressed. I really think that you can wear this one off the forehead. They did just such a good job of making it so it's not thick, you know, kind of sparsely knotted in the front, and sometimes it is, that I think all around this is a great piece. So if you're looking at another Belle Tress wig in this dark of a color though, please keep in mind that some Belle Tress wigs can look really knotty. And so it depends on whether or not you're planning to wear a wig pulled up off your face, or if you're planning to wear a piece, you know, kind of down. If you wear her like she comes, she doesn't really show that very much. but I think this is good enough to pull off the face. If you're a bang person and you're gonna cut bangs into your wigs, then you don't have to sweat that. But I did want to point it out because I've had a number of Belle Tress wigs, and it's really hit or miss how the lace front looks. It can look decent and it can look pretty bad. And so, you know, that's the name of the game. I will tell you on this one, it looks really good, and I would wear this one pulled up off my face, no problem. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and stick around. I'll show this to you outside. All right, everyone, here we go. Coffee without cream outside. So beautiful. Kind of make sure that if the light can play on it differently, that it will. It's just the richest, most beautiful, dark brunette. Just an espresso color. I'm gonna switch hands here. It's so pretty. All right, I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.